How to turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. Whether you're looking to share your epic gameplay or just want to interact with your friends and fans in real time, this feature is super easy to set up, so let's get started. Open Mobile Legends and log into your account. Once you're on your main home screen, you'll see an option that's a icon of a video or a live stream button depending on the current app version. Simply tap on it. Now you'll go to the live options, various settings. Tap on my channel. From here you can simply find an option that says live stream. Simply toggle that option on. Now from here you can choose to stream directly to platforms like YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Once everything is set, just hit the start live button and you're good to go, and you'll be live sharing your awesome Mobile Legends gameplay with everyone. That's it. Now you're ready to go live and share your Mobile Legends matches with your fans.